Hey everyone, okay, so did you know that the best anti-aging tool isn't actually a cream? And it kind of never was really. Well, maybe a retinoid. Anyway, that's not the point of this video. So here's what I actually use daily that isn't skincare to keep my skin looking good for my age. And that is what it's about, by the way, looking good for your age, not chasing youth. Gua sha. Oh, I love this, love it. So you need a facial oil underneath or a cleanser. Cleanser works great, otherwise you're just dragging skin. Now done right, it tones the muscles of your face, it improves your contours, it depuffs. My only regret is that I just didn't start earlier. It's like a workout for your face, I love it. Speaking of workouts, and this is the workout of all workouts, ZIIP Halo 2.0, engineeringly rebuilt with improved waveforms, so it's pretty super. It's the device it was always meant to be. Now, I've loved ZIIP for a long time, you know this. Side note, by the way, I actually know the founder, Mandy Simon. She looks incredible. And knowing what she built and why she built it has made me commit, because I've moved in and out of ZIIP throughout the years. Now, for those that don't know, ZIIP doesn't just send generic electrical currents to your skin. It adapts to work with your skin's natural bioelectricity. Your skin already has an electrical system, and this works with it, not against it. So basically, one tap in the ZIIP app and it just sends a personalized treatment targeting exactly what your skin needs on that day. So lift, tighten, brighten, all of it, 'tis up to you. Now, you know me, I like the Anti-Aging Eyes program because, well, I just love it. It's quick, it's simple, and it works. But they've got a ton to choose from. Oh, and in case you're wondering, have you seen the clinicals? Just saying, 97% of people saw an immediate lifting and firming. 97% is not a small number. Now, in case you're wondering, it comes with 3 conductive gels packed with gorgeous active ingredients. And microcurrent trains your facial muscles the same way that exercise trains your body. That's not marketing, that's just the way it works. So if you want to give it a go, you can get 10% off with my code ZPWAYNE. It's on the screen, and for a limited time, info in the description bar, you can also get a full-size silver gel. Together, this is a discount of over £107. You're welcome. Next up, NAD Plus from Bio-Atelier. That's the one I use. I take this for energy. You all know NAD Plus is like a coenzyme your body produces less of as we got older. And it plays a role in cellular repair, metabolism, and just how your cells actually kind of just function. The energy is a bonus. The aging piece is the point. I also take a multivitamin from Zukki. I just like the brand. I don't overthink this one. It's an insurance policy, just filling in the gaps. And of course, yes, I use Current Body LED Mask. You've heard me talk about it forever, so I won't go on, promise, but I still use it every day, daily. It works, just saying. None of these are skincare, you see? None. Oh, there is actually one more thing that I've been using. This is actually by Eve Lom, not the cleanser, the woman. She's come out with a little book and system called In and Out, and it is a conscious breathing practice, which is meant to oxygenate the body, ground the mind, and promote like a radiant, peaceful glow, I guess. So there you go. This is what I use daily. And that's the difference here, by the way. That's the difference that makes the difference. I do it daily. Thank you for your time. Look forward to seeing you all next time. Don't forget, information, link, discount, all down there in the description bar. See you next time. Bye-bye.